AutoFluent system, the Utilities interface will help you solve issues that may arise from time to time. Click the gear icon, then under the General column, click Utilities. If you ever get a message that a work order is locked and it cannot be opened, click this button to clear that lock and restore the work order's functionality. The box for Recalculate on order and available quantities will make sure that the on-order amounts on every purchase order are correct and that the available quantities for each item in inventory are correct. Check this box to clear all items on backorder before a certain date. This button here verifies and updates ordered and received dates for items in your inventory and adjusts the item's history as needed automatically. Here you can copy all catalog cost and spiffs from this store to one of your other locations if you are using AutoFluent in a multi-store environment. This section here is only to be used in case of emergency, and its access should be limited to only those with specific permissions to do so. This button will change the in-stock quantities to 0 for every item with quantities in inventory. This button changes every item with a negative quantity to having a 0 quantity. If you need to run either one of these utilities, please back up your system first. If the results do not turn out as you had hoped, AutoFluent technicians can restore your system from backup if necessary. The root data path and graphics path are set automatically when AutoFluent is installed on your system and shows you where in your Windows system they are located. Click the Merge Inventory tab. If you've accidentally entered the same item into inventory more than once, you can merge one item into the other. Click the Customers tab. The options for Set Open Invoices and Set Customers Totals are typically ran by AutoFluent technicians after your data has been converted from your previous shop management system into AutoFluent. Recalculate Deposits will verify the deposit amounts of all deposits on hand in the system. Delete Old Quotes will allow you to set a date in which every quote dated before the date that you set will be permanently removed from your system. The Merge Customers and Merge Vendors buttons work in the same way that the Merge Inventory button works. Select the one that you want to merge and the one that you want to keep, and click the button to complete the merge process. Close this window and click the gear icon again, this time clicking on Themes. Here you can select a background theme for your AutoFluent system. You can have a different look at each workstation if you'd like, or use the same color scheme for all computers. If you have multiple locations, it's beneficial to use a standard color scheme for each location so that by a quick glance, you can see which store you are logged into based on the theme being used by that location. You can also click this button to resize all of your AutoFluent windows to the factory defaults.